Hello friends, good afternoon. I here today. I'm cooking again. This is called calderitang kambing or lamb stew. The ingredients are lamb, potatoes, garlic, red bell pepper, olive, turmeric, Himalayan salt, chicken casserole mix, and baked beans and sausages. Yeah, you see, that's why it's very sticky now. Look at that. Oh. Look at that now, man. Some pineapple juice as well. I don't put peanut butter. You know why it's sticky? Because of these potatoes and baked beans. Look at that. I'm sorry for the finger that covers the lens, but as you know, I don't use any stabilizer or tripod. I use my hand when I hold the phone. The other side holds the spoon. Look at that, man. Calderitang kambing with a twist. You know why with a twist? It's with olive fruit, if you say that. And baked beans is to make it like a little bit sweet. Yeah. It's already cooked. I'm sorry I cannot show you the video that I am eating, yeah? There's no way I can video while I'm eating. I use both hands in eating, so I cannot hold the telephone in the other hand. By the way, I switched off already. So it's just cooking by its own heat. Look at that, man. Oh. Feel free to subscribe and share it if you like. And ring the notification bell as well so that you can be notified with my new post, new video. You know, I am monetized now, and all the revenues will be going to my loyal subscribers, and The second one will be going to needy in the Philippines, like street children, homeless, people who cannot buy medicines or hospital, if I can. But the problem with YouTube is it's very slow. Since July I was monetized and I had something like £5 already, $5, and then they reduced it to 18 cents, and now I'm back again with £2 9 pence. I don't know where it goes. Okay guys, I'm covering it now. Yeah, and thank you for watching.